Good evening, Miss Kenya here, owner and creator of ManeIngredient oils and affiliated products. So I just wanted to come on tonight and talk a little bit about my business, what I do, what ManeIngredient.oils.com is, and why all of this is awesome. So I wanted to start tonight by showcasing some of the awesome things that Main Ingredient has to offer. So first we'll start with the Mega Hair Growth Oil. Main Ingredient Hair Growth Oil is fantastic. It's lightweight, it smells amazing, it penetrates, it intensifies growth, it stimulates your scalp, it stimulates the beard, it's good on our skin, it's beautiful. So, first I'm going to start with the half ounce size. This is the 1 ounce here of Main Ingredient Hair Growth Oil. 1 ounce. And then we have a 2 ounce of Main Ingredient Hair Growth Oil. So you can see the difference in the sizes. So we've got our half ounce, 1 ounce in the middle, and the 2 ounce. So I also do have sets available. This one is a men's kit. So we have the 1 ounce of Main Ingredient oil. We have the any hair brush. This one is a hard bristle brush. I also have soft bristle available too. The beard comb and then a precision comb. So let's check these out. Show you there's a rougher side and a more precise side. The precision comb. I know guys like this. My brothers steal these from me all the time. So I've got the brush. Nice hard bristles. And our 1 ounce of oil. So for the ladies, I have here 1 ounce of oil. Then there's the shower comb. This thing is literally amazing. Shower comb helps to penetrate your hair, get all the dandruff, get it like your scalp really, really clean. It massages it. This thing is awesome. Literally a must-have. There's a wide tooth comb here. This is an anti-brand. It's a nice quality, nice and sturdy. Good for detangling. If you have thicker hair, this is really good. Good for feathering your hair. This thing's awesome. And then, of course, precision comb. You already know what I'm using this for. Edges, okay? Really good for those fine hairs. If your hair is a little thinner, this comb is pretty good. So, okay. And then, in addition, I have my exclusive Main Ingredient Signature Satin Pillowcases. These are outstanding. They feel so good against your skin, so good for your hair, and it keeps your hair nice and together. I don't like wearing a bonnet, so this is everything to me. Satin pillowcase is definitely a must-have. So I do have different colors. This is a very pretty red. Then we got this sexy black. Ooh, that look good. Nah, but for real, this is literally dope. Like, quality, of course. These are all handmade. I make these myself. This is Signature Satin Pillowcase by Main Ingredient. So There's our black. I also have pink. This is so pretty. Yes. I also have this navy blue. This blue is so beautiful. Yes. Now these are the ones that I'm showing in the video are all standard size. Customizations are available. I do have standard size available, king size, and queen size. All on ManeIngredient.com. You can purchase through the site. You can purchase on Etsy. I do take Cash App and Apple Pay. So DM me. I have shipping available. I have delivery available. I also have pickup available. All contactless. So, I get it to you. Goodness. In addition to what ManeIngredient offers, to also have links to hair and beard must-haves, from great straighteners to different beard combs to different bonnets, to curlers, to ManeIngredient promotes natural hair growth. And that's nothing to say about people who want to use perms or straighteners or whatever the case may be. This ManeIngredient is to care for your hair naturally. So if you do want to color it, you don't have to fear, because ManeIngredient is here to be that protective shield for you. If you want to put a perm in your hair, you like, girl, I can't take it. I need me a perm. Baby, do you. But just take care of your hair, and that's what ManeIngredient is here for. It's that extra security blanket for you to make sure that hair is growing nice and beautifully. No matter what it is, keep those crowns glowing. So thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. Head on over to ManeIngredient.com. Get your purchase on.